Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome Windows. Okay, first things first, ensure that you have entered the correct URL in the address bar and check if it is accessible, because sometimes the error may be due to an incorrect URL. Method number 2 is to fix 403 forbidden error on Chrome. This method suggests clearing your browser cache and cookies, which can sometimes resolve access issues. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome Windows. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.